In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change direction of light flight in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option to use light flight when you have the light Blox Fruits and how to change the direction of your flight. So, one of the abilities in the moveset for the light fruit is going to be light flight. This will turn you into a little light ray and allows you to fly fast through the map. Now, if you are on the V1 moveset, you will not be able to change direction to fly manually. You can still change direction if you hit anything. So if you hit a wall, if you hit the ground, an enemy, and so on, you will change directions. Now, if you have the Awakened moveset and you have access to Shining Flight instead, then you will be able to change direction. So, Shining Flight, you will turn into light and fly extremely fast, slightly faster than its unawakened counterpart. Unlike V1, you will be able to change direction mid-flight. The maneuverability is poor because it is very snappy. All that you have to do is hold F to fly and move the camera or the cursor to change the direction. So to keep it simple and summarize it all, just hold F, and while holding F, move the camera and you will be able to change the direction. Like I said, it snaps into the location, but you can still sort of control it. And you will only be able to control the direction of light flight if you are using Shining Flight, which is the Awakened moveset. You cannot control the direction of the light flight if you only have the V1 moveset. So just keep that in mind, and as long as you have the Awaken moveset for the light fruit, you will be able to change the direction when using Shining Flight while holding F by moving your cursor and changing the direction of your camera. I hope I was able to help you on how to change direction of light flight in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.